Joe Sorello here to talk about our 2,000 gallon per hour SEAFLO bilge pump. Common bilge pump in the industry, probably the most common one. This is our top selling bilge pump that we have. The strainer base is similar to our competitors like Rule strainer base, so believe it or not, our bilge pump could fit right into their strainer base, which means that you don't have to unscrew the existing strainer base you have to replace it. One thing that does separate us from the competition is where our shaft meets our impeller. Normally, there's always water sitting in your bilge. It's about 3/4 inches of water because that's where most float switches deactivate. The biggest failure point on a bilge pump is where the shaft meets the impeller. And with our competition, where their shaft meets the impeller is below that 3/4 inch water line. So your bilge pump with the competitors is always sitting in that salt water, which after a while will corrode, that seal will corrode, and it will fail. The way that we changed ours to make it a higher quality pump was simply make our impeller taller. We made our impeller taller above that 3/4 inch line so that it will never be sitting in that 3/4 inches of water and will prevent premature rusting. Again, it's Joe Sorello with SEAFLO. If you have any questions, let me know.